Alright guys, today we are going to do a recovery, and I'm still out here in Utah, and look who I'm with. Already done a recovery down to Mexico with Matts Offroad Recovery. Might as well do a recovery in Utah with Robby, Layton. I got Josh. So we got a call that they're stuck up in Wales Canyon, and we're gonna head up that way and see if we can find them. I know there's gonna be snow up there. It's about 48 degrees today, so we're gonna bring our hoodies and jackets just in case, because you know it's probably gonna be colder up on the mountain in the snow. We just got to the edge of the mountainside here. Now we're gonna go find this truck. I two-wheeled it here.
Here's the problem with getting stuck, is people try before they call and get help, so they get more stuck. So they've been trying all morning to get it out, and they just couldn't get it out. But it looks awesome.
Looks like they're buried to the frame.
Yeah, no, they're definitely sitting on the frame.
They started up here. They probably slid back off this turn into this ditch. And then this ditch is deep. It's probably a foot and a half deep over here. And they just sunk their way back.
They did good, and now we're here.
So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna hook up to the back of the truck. I'm gonna snatch it off of this tree here and then to me. And that way we can pull the back end up out of the hole. Robby is gonna go ahead and winch off the front, and we'll have Hillbilly in the truck trying to drive it out at the same time. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to attempt to try to use it off of the receiver hitch with the pin in it, mostly because we're going to have Hillbilly trying to give it gas to back up. So if I were to hook the axle, I'd be risking the chance of the tire grabbing the winch line. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to try it from there first. If it doesn't pick it up and pull it, then I am going to go to the axle and try to help it out at that point. So here in Wales Canyon, they've had a bunch of recoveries already this year. Sounds like this road just gets worse and worse the farther you get up. Well, that worked out pretty good. That is a nasty hole full of all kinds of stuff, but we were able to get them out. Just in case you're wondering, I've already drove forward. So that line's loose. We're walking over a loose winch line for all you people that think that it's got tension on it. That was deep.
Yeah, look at
How
it.
deep was that? You got muck boots on. I got tennies on.
Come all the way down.
My little Hokas ain't gonna do it.
Go try it.
Oh man.
Go try it.
Yeah.
I can see why he was stuck.
And
Go try it, Colt.
looks like pallets don't work as max tracks.
Not really.
All right, Hillbilly's gonna back it on down.
We hope. We'll see.
Attempt?
Yeah, he's gonna attempt to. But hey, you know what?
One. Attempt one.
Attempt one. If he fails, Colt Builds is here. You can pull him out. Alright, you gonna try? I honestly think
I made some good 40-inch ruts there. That's good.
I don't have gears. Maybe I'll just back down anyway.
You look good right now. You want to just straighten out. So we just got to get Robby down, but he's got a tow truck with no mirrors. So Colton's spotting him, trying to spot him off the edge. You scream go.
Go, go, go.
I thought you were saying no, no, no. All right, so that worked out really good. Using 2 winches, using 2 trucks, it makes it a lot faster. I know that you could do it with one, but it's gonna take a lot longer time. And that just got them right out and they were able to turn around and head back down the mountain. Now we're just gonna head down ourselves and go find ourselves some lunch because it is a little bit past lunchtime at this point in the day. It is absolutely beautiful here though. This is a gorgeous canyon. I'd actually like to come back up here and explore it sometime. Maybe I'll have to come up here and explore it with Robby when he finishes his Toyota Land Cruiser bodied, Jeep framed, Chevy motored, Ford axled monster truck of a vehicle. Got mud? I ain't got them fancy fender flares. All right, so Robby swears this is the place to go. Shallons? Shallons. Yep, Robby wasn't lying. It's pretty good. Well, I'd definitely say Robby was right. If you're in the area, eat here. It's amazing. It's amazing. Hey guys, ever since that recovery, I realized that I have too much cheap recovery equipment. If I'm going to be taking recovery serious, I need to be serious about it. I've seen too many people getting hurt lately using cheap products. So I've stepped up to this. The winch line I used to run only had a 15,000 pound rating and it was made in China. This thing has a 22,000 pound rating and it's made here in the USA. And Yankum Ropes is made in the great state of Idaho with a soft shackle rating of 45,000 pounds. That's legit. And you can see how much bigger and better this snatch block is versus the one I was using in this video. And with my go-to color being green, of course I went with the Kinetic Yankum rope that is obviously lime green. And I even grabbed the short 10-footer for my buggy that Rory makes for Trailmater. So if you guys are looking to get serious with towing and you actually care about what your situation is, then you really need to consider using American-made, high-quality towing equipment. And just like everybody, if you want to be safe, you got to pay to play. But I always try to get you guys a better deal, and in this case, I did the same thing. I have a 10% discount code. I put all the codes down here in the description so you guys can get a discount for anything you buy. This is a 10% discount called Colt 10. Hopefully that'll get you back on the trail and keep you safe because I do care about you guys as much as I care about my own safety. So, got the call, got the truck, we got food. Yeah, that place is legit. Robby makes good calls on food. Fat kids look out for each other.
I was gonna say, we built this, and we made it back to the shop.
What I don't understand is how my truck can look like that And his,
barely looks muddy.
yeah, I don't get it. Like this video, check these out. And if you don't already, make sure you go over to Robby Layton's and check out their video on this as well.
We got him out.